So you did a clean installation of Windows on your computer, and right now none of the games that you have are running properly. Well, it's actually because some essential softwares are missing from your computer that the game needs to run. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what softwares do you need to have on your PC to run games on your PC properly. Well, don't mind, I've said PC too many times. And well, anyway, welcome to new series of 2 minutes Saturday, where I'll be making videos that are 2 minutes long, or I mean 3 minutes. I don't know what it might be. And I got this idea from Peter McKinnon. So if you guys are gonna say, yeah, you copied him, I don't care, okay? I got the idea from him. Well, let's begin anyway. By the way, before we start, let's just hit the subscribe button because that will cost you nothing but will mean a lot to me. So the first software that you have to have on your PC is the drivers. Well, first of all, you have to have the graphics driver, and that has to be set up properly. And if you don't know what your graphics card is, I mean which company your graphics card comes from, then you just have to press Windows plus R on your PC and then type this DXDIAG and press OK, and it will show the graphics card that you have on your PC currently. And then go to display and you will find the graphics card. Like right now I have a 1050 Ti on my PC, so I have to install the Nvidia graphics driver. So if you have an AMD graphics card, then you need the AMD graphics driver. If you have an Intel graphics card, then you will have to install the Intel graphics driver. Okay, after installing the graphics driver, you will need some other drivers as well, like the LAN driver and all the other drivers. Like if you have gaming peripherals like this gaming mouse that needs a driver to run, then you will also have to install that gaming driver. So after installing all the drivers, you will be good to go on starting all the other stuff that you need. Then you will need some more softwares that I have created a pack on, because I used to install Windows really frequently, like 3 or 4 times a week. So yeah, I created this pack, and in this pack you will get DirectX, Visual Redist, Microsoft C++, and WinRAR. I don't actually remember properly, but I have uploaded it in Google Drive, and you can download it from there because I have put the link in description box below. Just go there and download it, and it is totally free of charge if you guys are just asking. Now let me just show you guys what's in the pack. First of all, here we have DirectX, and yes, it is the latest version of DirectX. So just click here and install it from here. Okay, sorry, I just don't mind that. Then you have DirectX 11. So just go here and press run as in, and then just go here and press run as administrator, because otherwise it will not work. Then we have .NET FX. So here you have 4 and 4.5, and usually .NET is installed in the latest version of Windows. So I think you will be fine with .NET. Then we have VC Redist. So yeah, I have all the particular year of this software, like 2010, 2012, 2013, 2015, 2017, 2012. Okay, 2012, I mean updated one. But there's also this all-in-one. Just click on this all-in-one if you don't have any of them. But if you need a particular one, you also get that as well. So after that we have WinRAR. Well, WinRAR is not a must-have one, but just install it because it is also important. So those are the softwares that you will need. So after installing all of these softwares, if the game still doesn't run, please hit up on the comment section below what's the problem. And also you can try installing the game again, or you can also check if the game supports the Windows that you have currently right now, and check up the PC specifications. And if you are able to play the game before you installed Windows, then just install it again. I think that will fix all of your problem. And yes, by the way, there's a problem called DXD3 compiler, and that is basically DirectX problem. So just install the DirectX from here. This is the fixed version, so I think you'll be good to go. So these are the things that you need to play games on your PC. I know it's a little bit rushed video. I don't know if I crossed the 2-minute mark. So anyway, this was it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video. By the way, new microphone. Okay, just subscribe.